morning students, how are you all? Today we are going to study about the topic reaching the age of adolescence. Okay, chapter 10. Take page number 113. Okay, reaching the age of adolescence. The first subheading is adolescence and puberty. Okay, what is meant by adolescence? The growing up in a natural process, the period of cycle when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity is called what? Adolescence. Okay, growing up a natural process, the period of life when the body undergoes some changes in the reproductive maturity. What we call that as adolescence stage. Okay. Adolescence begins around the age of 11 and lasts up to 18 or 19 age. Okay, since this period covers what? Teen adolescence. What we call that as teenagers. Third stage, children are called as what? Teenagers. Okay, adolescence begins around the age of 11 and lasts up to 18 or 19 age. Okay, the period cover the teen adolescence is called what? Teenager. Okay, in girls, adolescence may begin a year or two earlier than in boys. Okay, in girls, adolescence may begin a year or two earlier than in boys. Okay, also the period of adolescence varies from person to person. Okay, the adolescent stage also varies from person to person. The human body undergoes several changes during adolescence. Okay, the beginning of the adolescence period is called what? Puberty. Okay, the beginning of adolescence period, what we call that as puberty. Puberty ends when an adolescent reaches reproductive maturity. Okay, when puberty ends, adolescent reaches the reproductive maturity, only the puberty ends. Okay, it starts from adolescence period. Puberty starts from adolescent periods from the age of 17 to 19. Okay, then changes at puberty. What are the changes occur at puberty stage? The changes which takes place during this period are as follows. What are the changes? First changes, the changes in height. Their height may be varies. Okay, during that period. The bone of the limbs suddenly grown during this period. Okay, the following table shows percentage attainable of height in boys and girls at different years of the age. Okay, the percentage shown in this table can be utilized to calculate the approximate full height which a person is likely to attain in adulthood. Okay, in the year of 8, the boys percentage is 72%, then girls percentage is 77%. Likewise, the age from 8 to 18 years. Okay, the percentage is calculated, the height percentage is calculated in this table. First, the changes at puberty. First changes height, then body shape. The body of the boy becomes more muscular, shoulder become wide and the hips become narrow. In girls, the shoulder become round and hips become wide. Okay, the body shape also changes. The body of the boy becomes what? Muscular and the shoulders become broad and narrow. In girls, the shoulder become round and the hips become wide. And then voice. The third one is voice change. At puberty, the voice box on the larynx begins to grow. Boys develop larger voice boxes. The growing voice box in boys can be seen at a part of the throat called what? Adam's apple. In girls, the larynx is hardly visible from the outside because it is small in size. Okay, generally, girls have a high-pitched voice, and also boys have what? Deep voice. In adolescent boys, sometimes the muscles of the growing voice go out of the control and the voice becomes what? Hoarse. Okay. In the adolescent period and as well as puberty period, the voice may be vary. The next topic is increased activity of sweat and sebaceous gland. During adolescent period, the activity of sweat and sebaceous gland is increased. It results to what? Secretion of more sweat and oily from the skin. Okay, this can result into the problems of pimples and acne. Okay, if these glands increase, the secretion of what? Sweat and oil also increases in the face. That result into what? Pimples and acne. Okay. Then the next topic is development of sex organ. In boys, the testes become mature and begin the production of sperm. Okay. In boys, the testes become what? Mature and begins the production of sperm. In girls, the ovaries and the egg become what? Mature and it begins to release ovules. Usually a single egg is produced during an ovulation cycle. Okay, in the ovulation cycle a single egg is produced. What is the development of sex organs? In boys it is testes, in girls it is ovaries and also egg. Okay, these are the sex organs in human body. Then reaching mental intellectual maturity. The next topic is reaching mental as well as intellectual maturity. An adolescent person tends to become more independent. Okay, an adolescent person tends to become what? More independent. He or she may spend more time all alone. Okay, in the adolescent period, he or she spend more time all alone. Okay, the thinking ability of a person also develop. While they are alone, they may think more ideas, right? So thinking ability also improve. Okay, develops. Sudden changes in the body may also develop. Some sense of insecurity in the person, but this is a part and parcel of the growing up process. Okay, sudden changes in the body and also feel what? Insecurity. Okay, it is because of what? It is a part of growing up process in our body. Okay, then secondary sexual characters. Testes and ovaries are the reproductive organs in both in female as well as male human body. They produce the gamete, sperms and ova. In girls, breasts become to develop at puberty and boys become to grow facial hair and beard. Okay, the male from the female, they are called what? The distinguish between male from the female is called what? Secondary sexual characters. Boy also develop hair on their chest. In both boys and girls, hair grows under the arms. Okay, the changes which occur at adolescence are controlled by hormones. Okay, the changes are controlled by what? Hormones. Because of hormone only the changes occur. The male hormone or testosterone begins to be released by the testes. Then boys about which you have just learned, for example the growth of facial hair. Okay, this change is caused because of what? Puberty. Okay, in male. Once puberty is reached in girls, ovary begin to produce the female hormone or estrogen. Okay, it makes the breast develop, and also milk secreting gland also develop. Okay, then the production of the hormones is under the control of another hormone secreted from the endocrine gland called what? Pituitary gland. Okay ma, these are the secondary sexual characters. That's all about today's topic. Okay, thank you. Next class we'll discuss about the remaining topic.